The first time I saw this recipe, I knew I had to try it. So there's a chicken dish going viral for quite some time called chicken Iffa, and if you still haven't tried it, go and make it ASAP because this is too good to miss. Start by mixing together some curd, ginger garlic paste, a few basic spices mentioned in the description, along with some salt and vinegar. Use this to marinate chicken thigh and breast pieces for at least half an hour. If you're new to my channel, please support the channel by liking and subscribing. It truly means a lot. Now take a frying pan and add butter or coconut oil. Add the chicken and then cook on high flame for about 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Meanwhile, blend together a couple of boiled egg whites, garlic cloves, a cheese, vinegar, skim milk, fresh cream, salt, and sugar. Now, just drizzle that creamy, garlicky sauce all over. Cover and cook for about 3 minutes, and that's it. Finish it off with a sprinkling of chopped coriander leaves. Serve it up with some paratha or roti straight from the pan, and just enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more viral recipes.